Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles with over 350 to choose from. If you're not on our website and you're on YouTube, and for our current listings of everything we have in stock with over 50 pictures of every individual vehicle and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we have a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This is a very well equipped vehicle, under $40,000. This is granite crystalline color, and on the front bumper you do have really nice fog lights you got on the bottom there, along with your automatic power front headbeams. Like I said, this is a granite crystal in color. Really nice 17-inch aluminum wheels. It has many features on the exterior. One of the main features I would say would be the backup sensors on the rear of the vehicle. There's 4 sensors located under the rear, on the rear bumper I should say. There's also a standard backup camera that's equipped with this on this unit. This particular vehicle has a cross detection monitoring system, so there's a triangle located on the right hand side of that mirror right there, and when there's a car that pulls up onto your side, could be in your blind spot, could be just beside you, that little triangle will illuminate and become orange. So once it is orange, just to notify you that, hey, there's a car beside you, it may be in your blind spot, keep an eye out for it, don't come over on it. As far as to the inside of the vehicle, this does have power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Also on the driver's seat, it has an 8-way power driver's seat with a 4-way lumbar. It is a black cloth interior. Stepping into the driver's seat of this particular Chrysler Pacifica Touring, on the right hand side you'll notice you do have 2 phones. One's green, one is red. You can pair your phone with this particular vehicle through your radio system, and you can leave your phone in your purse, or maybe in your pocket, or maybe just in the cup holder beside you, and you can answer your phone and from your steering wheel, and the phone call will be distributed through the radio system, and you can speak without holding your phone, which is a really good feature. Above that, you'll see your controls right here. It's going to operate your instrument cluster. I'm going to show you all the different availabilities, whether you want to look at your how fast you're going, which is set on your speedometer right there right now, or maybe you want it set for, you know, average miles per gallon. There's all kinds of different settings you can put right there in that center cluster. Also, as you can see, this particular vehicle does have a touchscreen radio with XM radio. Obviously you can hook your media up to it. You can put your climate. So this particular vehicle has dual climate controls. So you can set the driver on 67 and maybe the passenger on 73. And you can have different temperatures throughout the van. This particular van also does have rear climate controls, which we will go over in the back. You can also, there's an auto feature. We can set it on auto and it'll automatically adjust the temperature inside the cab to 67 on the driver's side, for example, and 73 on the passenger side. Or you can hit sync, and once you hit sync, it syncs the driver and the passenger temperatures to 1, and it'll go off the driver temperature, which in this case was 67. There's multiple apps that you can adjust and put down here on the bottom. You can pull these down and they will actually move to the positions down below here. Also, this does have start-stop feature on this, so you can, when you're sitting at a red light, your vehicle will actually turn off, but everything in your vehicle will continue to work. It's a great feature to have when it comes to saving with fuel economy. There's also another option here, so you can operate your climate control from the dash instead of the radio. So there's 2 places you can operate it, and there also is the 2 toggle switches for temperature for driver and passenger available at your fingertips right there. There's also USB plugs, 12-volt DC plug down at the bottom, along with a nice cubby hole right there in the center for knickknacks. 2 cup holders, more storage area, as you can see there. Pretty much standard features when it comes to this. Another cool feature above the driver's seat is your universal garage door opener. So you can program your garage door opener right into the van. No longer have to carry around your garage door opener. It's programmed into your van. Also, this particular van has power sliding doors on both sides, which is a great feature, and are power sliding open and closed. For the back of this particular Pacifica is designed to be a 8-passenger. Most caravans are going to be your typical 7 passengers, but this particular one does have the jump seat built into the center. Another really nice feature, like we talked about earlier, is the passengers in the rear can operate the rear climate controls from the rear. You can also lock them out so they cannot do that. And there is vents throughout. As you can see, there's one right there, along with an overhead reading light that can be turned on and off while driving down the road. So there's 4 overhead reading lights and 4 vents up there in the ceiling. And most importantly, for the rear of the van is this nice flip down DVD player. What a great feature when you have kids, when you're traveling down the road. Keep in mind, it also does have stow and go in the center, 2 seats right there. So them 2, what would be the captain's chairs, the seats on the side in the center, they do fold flat down into the floor. And then also with this rear bench. So if you don't have anything down here in this cubby hole down here, this seat can actually lay flat. And then that 8th seat, which would be the jump seat in the center, can come out and you will have a flat surface if you need to haul anything. Also, power rear tailgate. And again, this is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This particular vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Does not cover the bumpers, but bumper-to-bumper warranty. And then a 5-year 60 powertrain. So with that 5-year 60 powertrain, it's going to cover your engine, your transmission, and your drivetrain. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. If you're currently not from our area, no fear, we can deliver nationwide. So we can have this thing shipped on a carrier to your house, or we could also drive it and put it in your driveway for you. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can follow us with all of our current new listings of inventory. Hit that like button, share a comment below. And again, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. You can contact us by phone if you'd like at 937-778-0830, or on the website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And like always, for the guaranteed lowest price in the country, visit Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.